In Europe, SF₆ is being phased out under new regulation. At Schneider Electric, we understand the challenges ahead. Moving away from SF₆ requires scale, availability, and trusted performance. That's why we're accelerating the SF₆-free transition with AirSeT, the leading SF₆-free solution. Powered by Pure Air and Digital, it delivers high performance, proven robustness, and a comprehensive end-to-end portfolio for every application. Backed by over a decade of R&D, redefining industry benchmarks. But innovation only matters if it reaches everyone, everywhere. We make AirSeT and Pure Air tech accessible to all, fast. With major production investments in Europe and beyond, we are scaling AirSeT globally. Today, 11 state-of-the-art manufacturing centers are delivering AirSeT worldwide, and more are underway. This makes Schneider Electric a leading company with global, industrial-scale SF₆-free production capacity. In Europe alone, 7 core manufacturing facilities and a growing network of partners work to secure the fastest delivery of AirSeT switchgear to industries and grid operators. With local production, we achieve speed and scale to make a huge positive impact together with our customers. At scale, AirSeT projects drive real change through SF₆ volumes avoided. Choosing AirSeT is a commitment to build a more breathable world together.